Hi, welcome to Beauty for the Win. I went to Sephora and I redeemed 100 points for the Fenty Skin Cherry Dub Superfine Daily Cleansing Face Scrub. I'm super excited to try this. I love minis because you can try them out. You don't have to invest all your money in it just to realize that it's a product that you don't want. So when they're small like this, it is just so good. You can always buy the big size after. Here we go. Mini packaging. So this has Barbados cherry in it. I do smell a mild cherry smell to it, but it's not overpowering. And if I look here, it also says it clarifies, brightens, retexturizes for softer, smoother skin. There is also, I looked on the back here, there is also cranberry fruit extract. There is lactobacillus, which is a probiotic. There's rice bran extract, rosemary leaf extract, radish root extract. Just some really good ingredients in here. This is so cute. On the packaging it says to apply a cherry size amount. So cute. So that's exactly what I'll do. Smells good. Okay, face is wet, let's go. So immediately I can feel that the scrub granules are fine, which I like a lot. I don't like big chunks of stuff in my scrub, so this is a plus so far. I can really feel that it's exfoliating that dead skin off, but it's not too rough either. Like, it's very gentle. Sometimes when you use a exfoliator on your face, it can feel kind of like not painful, but it can be uncomfortable because it's just too much. But this one is actually really gentle. And that's probably why it says that you can do it on a daily basis. Now I'm going to rinse it all off. Already I can feel that my skin is a lot more clean feeling, and it definitely exfoliates really well. So I would definitely buy this scrub. I like it. Thank you so much for watching this tryout. Stay tuned for more beauty.